We pull the yarn. Place between thumb and middle finger and pinch tightly. And then the hook is wounded around. You take it around and you bring it out. The next step is to continue to hook a needle through the quill. Then tighten the bottom line. Our first chain stitches will be fine. Then we can repeat this operation. Hot winding take out coil.